In a previous video, I talked about original contributions, part one. So if you remember, there's two parts to the original contributions criterion for the EB-1A visa. And most of the criteria do have several parts to it. For the original contributions criterion, first you need to show that you have a novel innovation, solution, some type of contribution. And I discussed that in my previous video. This video is going to talk about the second part of that criterion, which is major significance. So the black and white letters of the criterion in the regulations is you must have an original contribution of major significance in your field. So, major significance is really confusing um, for a lot of people, even in the immigration service. But what major significance means is it must um, have been impactful. So if you created, developed, discovered something novel in your field, it must have some type of impact or influence in your domain, like beyond even your company. So examples of impact very commonly are maybe patents, maybe citations, maybe publications. But as you know, if you've been following me, you don't need publications or patents or citations or press. That's just an example of impact that you can show an immigration officer if you have those. If you don't, you can show it by demonstrating that your solution is in use. It's been implemented or adopted by your own company or outside your company, maybe by a customer. What the Immigration Service will want is kind of objective documentation showing that your solution has some benefit and is in use. That's really important. It's been adopted and it's currently um, in use and implemented. So that's the second part of the criterion. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And what you can also do is please comment and let me know what you want to hear. What questions do you have? Because I want to make these videos useful for you. Thank you for listening, and I will see you soon. Bye.